How to set up direct deposit with Wells Fargo. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser or open up the Wells Fargo application. In the search bar, search for wellsfargo.com and just click that. Land in the official page. Now tap on sign on. And now you want to go ahead and simply sign in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu and search for set up a direct deposit. Then select the checking or saving account where you want your money deposited. Wells Fargo will display your routing number, account number, and account type. You can then download the pre-filled direct deposit form or complete a bank form using your account details. After that, submit the form to your employer, payroll department, or benefit provider. Keep in mind that processing can take 1 to 2 paid cycles before direct deposit becomes active. You can also enable account alerts to get notified whenever money is deposited into your account. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.